Remember, shortcut will always last for short time. Hard work will definitely take you for a long time. Why I'm saying this? You know that जिम आज के टाइम पे सब लोगों को हर चीज़ बहुत स्पीड से चाहिए, बट वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी careful about this so that we don't do any shortcuts when it comes to fitness. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की ये वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं बिगनर्स के फुल वीक गाइड के बारे में। काफ़ी रिक्वेस्ट आई है जिसमें फ्रेंड्स हमारे पूछ रहे हैं कि एज ए बिगनर उनको पूरे वीक में कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए। सो आज हम उसी को परफॉर्म करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, one thing is very very important for any person who comes to the gym for exercises. Please carry basic things for your own good: water bottle, a hand towel, a body spray. These are very very basic things. Please make it as a habit. Friends, always remember, कोई भी एक्सरसाइज परफॉर्म करने से पहले हमारे को जिम में आने के बाद अपनी बॉडी को वार्म अप करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो वार्म अप के लिए वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेड। रिमेंबर, वी हैव टू गो टिल टोज। After warm up, we come to treadmill. We can spend 4 to 5 minutes on this. Speed, you don't have to make it too fast. So just make it normal. Once we are done with this, we go to our next warm up machine. Friends, once we are done with the treadmill, we can come to the Crossfit. Crossfit, another you can spend 4 to 5 minutes. This will help to warm up your full body from head to toe. Just basic things which you have to remember. Your ankle should be firmly gripped on the bed. It should not move. So let's go to our next exercise. Friends, remember, when we are done with the warm up, we have to, or my suggestion that if you can make it a habit of doing push-ups before starting or before performing any workout over the machines. There are two things. A, you can do your push-ups by crossing your legs and touching on the ground. Make sure your back is straight and faces up. So this was the first way. Now we can go with the second way also. Friends, remember, whenever you're doing the push-ups, your face is facing upwards, and whenever you're going down, you breathe out, and when you're coming up, you breathe in. Let's go and start our exercises for the day. Friends, आज की जो हम exercises करने वाले हैं, हम आज जितने भी बॉडी पार्ट्स करेंगे, हर बॉडी पार्ट के 2 एक्सरसाइजेस को हम परफॉर्म करेंगे। सेम एक्सरसाइजेस जो आज हम करने वाले हैं, हम फुल वीक के ध्यान में रखते हुए उसको परफॉर्म करेंगे। Stay tuned. Friends, we will be starting with our first exercise, chest press. I will show you how you should do this. Let's go to our next exercise. Next exercise will be chest fly with the help of machine. So friends, this is the way how you perform this exercise. We have completed our one body part by doing two exercises. One was chest press, one is chest fly. Now we can go with our next body part exercise. Let's do that. Now the time to start with leg pull down for our back exercise. So this is the way how you perform the back exercise. Now let's go with our next exercise of back. After leg pull down, we can go with seated row. This is again a second exercise for the back. Remember, your back has to be locked and straight. Pull, squeeze, release. Do few reps of this, and now we have completed our back exercises. Now we can go with our next exercise. Let's do that. Friends, now we can start with our biceps. Again, we will be selecting two exercises for the biceps. First, we'll start with curl bar row. Stand straight, elbow lock, pull. This is the way how you can do your first biceps curl bar row. Once you're done with this, we can go to our next second exercise of biceps. Let's go. Second exercise for the biceps will be dumbbell curl. So friends, just remember, whenever you are pulling it up, you squeeze it properly so that the pressure can actually come to the right part of your biceps. Let's go to our third body part exercise, which will be triceps. Let's start. To start with the triceps, our first exercise is pulley push down with the help of rope. Remember, whenever we're pulling it down, we will rotate and squeeze properly. Stand straight, elbow lock, and start performing. This is the way how you perform this. Continue with your few reps, approx 10 to 12, and then we can perform our next exercise of our triceps. Stay tuned. So the second exercise for the tricep will be our dumbbell row. This is how we can perform our second dumbbell row triceps exercise. Now we have completed our triceps as well. We can perform our next body part exercise. Let's go for that. Friends, time to start with our next exercise, which will be for shoulders. We are again going to complete two exercises for the shoulders. The first one will be dumbbell fly. Please focus on the position and the way we pull it up. Stand straight, shoulder lock, elbow approx 90 degree, and then pull this up. Friends, remember, whenever you are pulling this up, you hold here and then you release. Breathe in and breathe out is again a very important part. So whenever you're pulling up, you breathe out, and when you're releasing, you breathe in. Let's go to our next exercise. Second exercise for the shoulder will be shoulder press. It can be performed two ways, with the help of dumbbells or with the help of machine. Make a firm grip, back should be locked. Hold this properly. Elbow has to be facing forward. So this is how you can perform shoulder exercise. Next body part exercise will be for the legs. So the first, we are starting with leg extension. Please focus the position. Remember, whenever you're pulling it up, you breathe out. Whenever you're releasing, you breathe in. Once you have pulled it up, hold there for a few seconds and then release. If you will perform this exercise this way, you will definitely get the right pressure at a right point. Let's go with our second exercise of our leg. Our next leg exercise will be squats. Legs should be as broad as your shoulders. Make a firm grip on floor. Friends, remember, whenever you're doing squats, your knees, it should not go beyond your toes. It should be within the toes. I'll show you once again. This is how you perform this. Let's go with our next body part exercise. So our last body part exercise will be for the abs. We will be starting, the first exercise is leg raise. Please follow this properly so that the impact actually can take place. Friends, remember, whenever you're doing this exercise, your knees are properly locked, and whenever you're raising the legs up, you breathe out. When you're going down, you breathe in. Let's perform our next abs workout, and let's see that which one is this. Friends, our next abs workout will be crunches. You can keep your legs this way, cross, keep your hands on head. So whenever you're coming up, you breathe out, and you give a pause for 3 to 4 seconds. So friends, we are done with almost all the body part exercises today. जो exercises मैंने आज आप लोगों को बताई हैं, for the beginners, you can continue these exercises for at least 1 week. Once your week is over, then we can start with single body part exercises, which I will help you out with. Before leaving the gym, remember and make this as a habit that you do a proper stretching. I am sure ये सारी एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद आप लोगों के बॉडी में पेन ज़रूर होगा, but please relax, no need to worry. Now keep continuing your exercises to remove the pain of your muscles. So let's start with the stretching now. Thank you everyone for coming and watching me. Let's see you again with a new video. Have a wonderful time.